Okay, so we're in the hallway of the Ascent at Victory Park, and we're now at the door. And as you can see, this has got a ski lodge feel. It's really cool. So very different than any other luxury apartments that I've looked at. I do like the feel. It's a great feel. You can see the wood just really adds to that ski lodge kind of look and feel. You can see the hallways. The hallways are very, very wide. And there's the carpet. I would just kind of look at it. And then there's the door here. So great, great ski lodge effect. I love that. And let's walk in the model. So we've come inside and wow, great looking feel. It strikes me right away that this is a very comfortable human, like a ski lodge. That's what they're really trying for, and it looks like it's working. So beautiful floors. They're lighter hardwood. They're more the heavier hand scraped kind of hardwoods, light with some brown, and that's a great look and feel. On the right here we have the kitchen. The kitchen is it's very open. I like that. So you just walk in and you're in the kitchen. So love that a lot. Also, you can see there's a beautiful gas stove waiting for you in here. Absolutely love that. Beautiful Whirlpool stove on top of it. Oven on bottom of it. Got great appliances in general. Whirlpool. You've got some great cabinet space. It's a dark, is that kind of dark gray? I guess it's dark gray, and it looks good. You do have really tall cabinets and lots of cabinet space, and then you've got lots of cabinets there below, so that's cool. And then I like it that you've got kind of this area in particular, because this area is going to give you kind of your real workspace where you can chop and cut and measure and things like that and get stuff ready for cooking. You'd have this beautiful large sink. It's very, very big. Absolutely love it. And great faucet there too. So it feels great in here. Oh, I love those. You see those logs? That's just awesome. That just works perfectly in there. So this is really, really nice. I like it. Also, did you notice it's got that open and cabinet and then there's a glass cabinet over there. So this is a great look and feel. And even those lights are hanging over. It lends to that just lodge effect. That's cool. On the left, oh gosh, you've got this great little starter area where you can store shoes, and you notice how it's wood in the back there. Oh, this is just great. Absolutely, I'm digging this. They really got into the concept well. There's a wine fridge over here, and a ton of storage space. Wow, this is a lot of storage space. So besides the wine fridge, we open these up and tons of space. Wow. Okay, lots of space. So that's all good. All right, so we are going into the kind of the living area, and this is definitely way enough space for four chairs and a large kitchen table. So that's really large. Love the rustic look. But that's absolutely enough space for that, easily for four, and then you could throw in one at least on the end, and then maybe even two on the sides. So you've got great space here. And you've got, look at this wood. Oh, I just love this wood. So this is great. And then I like how they put the little curtain to kind of separate it over here. And then it's got a Nest thermostat. That's really good. I absolutely love that. And then this great sign, "You belong here, welcome home." This is really good. Well done. Okay, so we go into the living room, and you've got this wall space that has a pretty good size here. Good size of wall space. I'd say this is maybe about 11 feet tall also. So you've got a good wall to work with. That would be a great TV wall. And then they also have a nice stand here, dresser, whatever you'd like to call it, and it's right there. There's the sofa over there, and then good wall space over here. This is a really good, long, solid space, and they're putting a chair over here. Again, keeping that kind of that leather lodge feel. This is very tying it in so super nicely. This is all good. Oh, and then they've put in some concrete. So the concrete is over there, and then there's some windows over here. So this is almost floor to ceiling windows. So that's all good. So a little bit of loft in, and a lot of kind of mountain and lodge at the Ascent. So that's there. Okay, so let's step onto the balcony and check out the balcony.